Hello everyone, so this is again a Ramadan special video. So we all wait for this 1 month where you get to meet your loved ones for straight 30 days, your friends and family, especially those who know that we visit to masjid every day for our iftari. We do our prayers, we can recite Quran, going earlier over there. So whenever I go to masjid, I go a little early, always, like since childhood. I always go early because then I get to sit there peacefully for half an hour, 1 hour before everyone arrives. I see how an empty masjid slowly and steadily fills in, how people come and sit, like I'm sketching an image of two women sitting right in front of me. They're having a very intimate talk. Then I see on my left, I see this lady sitting on a chair and she's reciting something. So slowly and steadily, that's how the whole masjid fills in. I really like how you start connecting with those who come early. You get 1 or 2 minutes of saying salam and getting to know about each other. This month makes it special because you meet people, you make friends, you get to know them more, and it's a good feeling. And the friends that you make during this time, I believe it stays there forever, especially in your childhood time. When you're kids, you're young, you make friends, you share lunch, not lunch exactly, I would say iftari, you share iftari, and it's more than just I would say not just it's the month of Ramadan becomes more than just prayers, it becomes more on humanity, how you take care of each other, how you talk to each other, how you respond to another human being. It's more about that, and I think that earns you more blessings than anything else. If someone wants to sit in a corner and recite Quran without any distraction, they can recite Quran or religious stuff, whatever they want to do. Or if someone wants to just sit there and have a peace and think of nothing but blessings that they have, I mean, this is one moment that you can do. So and then I see on my right hand these two ladies are sitting very peacefully, and one on a chair, one on the ground, reciting. And I guess that's how I always love drapery and sketching. I always love to do that. So I really like how I see the cloth and the drapery falling off the shoulders, the folds. So I always think of sketching whenever I look at them. For me, it's just how the gravity is pulling off the cloth, and the falls, the curves and turns. I always think of that. And of course the colors, whenever they're all sitting together, like I see this right in front of me, beautiful range of colors. It's very soothing to eye. So if you guys want to see a detailed sketch of all my quick sketches, let me know which one would you like to see, and I'll make a detailed sketch of it. So here are 1, 2, 3 and 4 sketches, basically my 4 views that I've made. So all my followers and subscribers, let me know which picture you would like to see in a detailed sketch.